How are you?
Can I just ask what you're doing, mate?
Sorry, it's on a need-to-know basis.
Sorry?
It's on a need-to-know basis.
In terms of who's it?
It's on a need-to-know basis. A need-to-know basis.
I need to know what is it through our Spindle Shopping Centre company or?
No, it's private.
Private, yeah, we don't allow it, mate. You have to
What?
get permission from management to do
Oh no, I don't. I can do that now.
Well, I don't understand what is it you're doing.
I just can't tell you.
Well, I can't allow you to do that in here then.
I can do it now, look.
Yeah, well, if we stood outside you can do it if you want, but not on the inside. Because we're going to get customers complaining and shops
What, looking
complaining.
for a piece of prospect?
Yeah, it just doesn't look right.
It's transparent, sir.
Yeah, I know, but...
So where's the manager so I can speak to him?
You have to go through management, mate. You have to ring them.
You're saying I can't look for a piece of
I'm
glass?
not saying you can't look through a piece of glass.
You just said I can't.
I'm just asking what you're actually doing.
I'm just saying it's on a need-to-know basis.
I need to know basis.
Yeah. Private, to me.
Right, well you need permission to come in and do whatever you're doing, mate.
No, I'm not working.
Yeah, well that's fine. If you're not working, that's fine.
So can I come in?
Well, you're not. You can't go around doing that. You're just going to get customers complaining.
Why? I'm only looking. I'm only looking.
We're not going to allow it. Sorry, mate.
You're saying I can't look through this?
No, we're not going to allow
Why?
it. Because you need permission to be
It's
doing
a piece of
whatever you're doing.
perspex,
I know
my
it's
friend.
a piece of glass. Yes.
Yes.
It's a piece of glass, but they don't allow it in here. We're not going to allow it.
Who can we speak to the
You need to
management?
speak to.
This is the moment that pulls the viewer in instantly. A calm individual is questioned, not for what he's done wrong, but simply for what he's doing, and the explanation is deliberately withheld. The phrase need-to-know basis is repeated like a barrier, creating confusion instead of clarity, while authority is asserted without any rule or law being named. From the very start, the tension is clear. This isn't about safety or legality. It's about control, and the refusal to explain immediately raises the question, who actually has the right to decide what's allowed?
They allowed me to do it over there, so why not
If
here?
you've got permission from them, then it's fine.
But I can't do that in here. So, alright, so what if I just look like that?
You can look like that, it's fine, but just...
It's the same thing, my friend.
Because you're facing it, you're pointing at towards tenants and shops. They're going to complain. So if you get permission from Oldham Council to do it, then it's fine.
What, they're
I
going
don't
to
have a problem
complain
with
that I'm looking?
Yeah, they will complain. We've had it before.
What, just for looking?
Looking through a piece of glass, you're pointing it towards it, so obviously they're going
Yeah,
to
but it's no different to this, my friend, look.
But that's a normal glass window.
This is the same.
Yes, no, it's
Look,
not. That's
look.
a glass window. I'm not going to argue with you, mate.
You are arguing.
You're, the one,
You-
you're making an argument of it. I'm not
You're
making an
looking
argument.
silly, my friend.
No,
You
I'm
are.
Not, I'm not.
You
I'm
are.
not. You're acting silly by doing
What
that.
about this? You can see from both, right?
You're silly by doing it. I'm not going to argue with you.
You are arguing though.
No,
You are arguing.
You're arguing with me, mate.
I'm not.
What company are you doing on behalf then? Are you doing it on
I'm
behalf
not
of-
working, I've told you I'm not
Right,
working.
Okay, that's fine, so I'm not going to allow you to do it then. If you've got a problem with it, you need to go to Oldham Council.
So do
they will allow
Oldham
it.
Council on this?
Yes, they do.
They do?
Yes.
So they've got a rule that says I can't look through a piece of glass.
If you ask them, no, I'm not saying if they have. You need
No,
permission
you've
to
just
be doing
created
that.
a rule.
No,
You
I'm not. No, I'm
have.
not. No, I'm not.
You just made up
I'm
a
not
rule.
going to argue with you, mate.
You're arguing.
No, mate.
You're arguing.
No, I'm not.
You are?
I'm not. You're coming towards me for an argument.
No, I'm not. I'm looking in the
Yeah,
shopping
well, I'm
centre.
asking you, we're not going to allow it in here.
So I can't look. So what if I look through that window now?
Mate, it's general knowledge, innit? It's basic general knowledge. You're not using your brain at the
It's the
moment.
same thing, my friend. Looking for a bit of perspex.
Well, it doesn't look good, does it?
Was it?
You're
Why-
pointing
what-
towards-
why-
You're pointing towards shops, it doesn't look good.
No, I'm looking for it to get an optical engineering UV
Like I
light.
said to you, you need permission to be doing that. From
What? Just for looking through a window?
And now you're comparing it to a glass window like that.
It's the
obviously
same. It
it's
is the
not.
same, my friend. It is.
A door doesn't come up to you and you look through it like that. No, a door is already there.
So come here. Right, listen. What if I want to look at some watches through a window? What if I want to look at some
No, you're
watches
just
through a
being
window?
stupid. That's what you're doing.
It's the same thing. It's because your argument sounds stupid. It is.
Stupid.
I'm stupid. Seriously. Why? I'm not stupid. I'm not arguing. You're arguing back. No, but what if I want to look through the window at the watches? Yeah, but it's no different to this, my friend. It's not. Yes, but it's fully transparent, sir. It's not like a book. You are. You are. If I can look through a window. You call me stupid, sir. Take it back. Please take it back. Please. So there we go, guys.
Here, the exchange escalates as logic itself becomes the trigger for conflict. A simple comparison, looking through one window versus another, exposes how weak the justification really is, and instead of addressing it, the response turns defensive and dismissive. Claims of hypothetical complaints replace facts, repetition replaces reasoning, and frustration boils over into insults. This is the turning point where authority stops trying to justify itself and starts trying to dominate the conversation, revealing that the challenge isn't behavior, but being
What a ruler. No way. You're arguing. This is a crazy world we live in.
Can you get around now?
Oh, how are you? How would you feel if he's come up to you and said, you can't look through your glasses in the store? He just told me, I can't look through this.
Why?
He says, you're going to get complaints. But he hasn't had one yet. So, he called me stupid. I said, how stupid do you look when we can look through a window? It's crazy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Absolute nuts. Wow. The world's gone mad, mate, honestly.
No, it doesn't matter.
Alright, guys.
Yeah, you.
Yeah, you're impersonating a police officer.
Okay. Does that seem more card?
No. No, you haven't addressed me, have you? Yeah.
I said so.
With the argument exhausted, the scene shifts from confrontation to reflection, and that's where the absurdity fully lands. The filmer steps back, addresses the audience directly, and frames the situation in plain terms, being told you can't look through something transparent. Bystanders become part of the moment, and the emotional intensity gives way to disbelief rather than anger. This pause is powerful because it lets the viewer process what just happened without noise, making the unreasonable nature of the exchange impossible to ignore.
Oh, don't call me sir.
Well, what would
I'm
you
not,
like me-
I'm not worthy of it.
What would you like me to call you?
Anything you want.
What's your name?
Pardon?
What's your name?
You can call me Scott. Why, what's to do?
Oh, just seeing if you're alright, so
Ah.
you're having a good period in your vehicle there, just making sure all's okay.
Yes, I'm making sure that it's all in a good validated order, you know.
Okay, what's your name? What's your surname, please, Scott?
I would not like to give if that's okay.
Well, that's fine, that's not a problem. Is there any reason as to why you was looking in my vehicle, Scott?
Oh, is that your vehicle?
Well, I'm in control of it and I've got the key
Oh,
to my
okay.
vehicle.
Yeah, I was just looking.
And where are you going today, sir?
Oh, I can't tell you.
Are you staying in and around the town centre, sir?
Yes.
Are you?
Yeah.
Okay, sir, no problem. Well, you enjoy your day.
Yeah.
Alright?
Are you recording, by the way?
No, it's on green. I can record if I want
Oh,
to.
no, just it's flashing. I wonder why it's flashing.
It's there recording, sir. That's
Is it?
recording. Yeah. Hey, don't worry, it's not live streaming. It's certainly not going on YouTube.
Ah, brilliant, brilliant.
Yeah. So, like I said, what's the what are you doing today? Are you doing anything good?
Is this friendly, or are you just detective now?
I'm just making friendly conversation.
Are you? Well, I'm probably going to go and get a bite to eat. What about yourself?
Yeah, just carrying on patrolling. I've
Yeah,
got a lot long left till I finish.
What do you think about this, right? Piece of perspex, fully transparent, right? I've just been told I can't look through this in the shopping centre.
You can't do what, sorry?
Can't look through it.
Again, that's nothing to do with myself. That's down to the security and the management of either Town Square or the Spindles or any store you're in. That's
Yeah,
down
but
to themselves.
so
I
you
certainly can't comment upon it.
you've just told me that
The arrival of police changes the tone, but not the underlying tension. The conversation becomes polite, measured, almost casual, yet every question is quietly probing for justification. There's no accusation, but there is scrutiny. Where are you going? What are you doing? Are you recording? The key detail here is restraint. The individual remains calm and within his rights, and the officers, unable to point to any offense, are left managing perception rather than enforcing law. It's a moment of calm that feels temporary, as if everyone is waiting to see which way it will tip at.
you haven't said I can't look in your police vehicle,
I
right?
asked you why you was looking
You
in my
asked me
police
why?
vehicle.
You know I'm under no obligation to speak, but at the same time, there's no law against it, is there?
Again, I said it raised my suspicions why anyone would look in my vehicle, considering vehicle theft and vehicle crime is on the upturn.
What, from a police vehicle?
You never know, do you?
They'd have to be mad, wouldn't they, yeah?
You never know. Only desperate people can be, so you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah? So why you take it you're going to go and enjoy your day now, sir? 'Cause
Yeah.
I'm,
Are you on work experience, sir? No. Oh, you're a constable? Yeah. Oh, bloody hell, sorry. What? I thought you might have needed a step ladder to get at your car.
No need to ridicule my colleague, is there? I'm sure you don't like him ridiculing you.
Go on
would you,
then,
sir?
give me one back.
No,
Go on mate, go on. Come on.
You go and enjoy your day.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Take care, guys. Now that's a serious...
This is the clarity viewers wait for. The officer plainly confirms there is no law being broken and no authority to prevent what's happening, placing responsibility firmly back on private security and management. The tension dissolves almost instantly, even giving way to humor, but the significance remains. The entire confrontation was built on assumption, not legality. In a few calm sentences, the imbalance of power disappears, and the situation is exposed for what it always was: unnecessary and unjustified.
That's a serious thing, guys. You know, I'm just having a chat with him, like, you know, in regards to, you see, policing these days, it's not like it used to be. You used to have to pass certain fitness tests and stuff like that. You know,
Well, them will waste of time completely, because they can't. By rights, Clive.
Clive's got the right idea, with a bit of reggae on the beat. That's the one, my friend. So yeah, I just made it.
They can't arrest you. You know the special
Yeah.
PCSO. They can't arrest you. And in fact, if they wanted to stop you and talk,
Whoa, so.
if they wanted to stop and talk to you, yeah, you could walk away.
That's it, yeah. But I think the ones in the plain clothes, I think the plain clothes guys, the smaller one and the one with a cap on, I think they're real constables. But the one with the hat and the IVs, he's like a PCSO.
Yeah.
But basically, I asked, there's the small lad, I said, are you on work experience? He said, no, I'm a constable. Now, I don't want to discriminate against anybody's height. He said, oh, but he's very small, like, you know, very small. I think he's the smallest constable I've seen up and down the country. Not that it matters, I'm just, it really,
Yeah, well, they stopped the height regulation, didn't they?
did they stop the height regulation? Yeah.
It used to be 5'8",
Right.
and now, and for women it was 5'4",
Okay.
but they've now disbanded.
Because it could be discrimination, I suspect, couldn't it? But yeah, it's turned into a crazy world, like. But anyway, my friend, you have a lovely day.
You too.
I'm gonna go and get some food. Oh, sorry, my friend. It's just on a need-to-know basis. That's all.
All right, I'm just wondering what it is. Well, you're inside a building there, so I really need to just ask what it is.
You don't need to know.
Well, I can ask you then to stop doing it in there with his families and children and kids, so it's on a tell-you basis. I'm not bothered about that.
It's only a piece of perspex.
Right, yeah, well, I'm just asking. I've got families in there and we're just curious.
Well, you can't look through that.
I was just saying, I've got families and they're asking in there what you're actually doing and stuff.
We just tell them it's a piece of perspex. I'm doing a survey.
The final segment ties everything together, as reflection replaces reaction until the pattern repeats. Commentary on policing, authority, and modern suspicion is interrupted by yet another attempt to question intent, once again without legal grounding. The response is consistent, calm, and firm, reinforcing the central theme of the video. The problem was never the action, but the discomfort of those who didn't understand it. The video ends not with conflict, but with a clear message. Rights don't disappear just because someone feels uneasy.